Bonans. It's around 7 o'clock, and you're not home yet, but I just got in not too long ago, and I thought you might be curious what the cats are up to, so I'll show you. Well, Bean's chilling on the couch. Ace's on the stairs. And they're just hanging out. And funny thing though, earlier I put some tea on. And I think it's about to go off. Would you like to hear what it sounds like when the tea goes off? We got 2 sleeping cats. Take note. Well, that wasn't very pleasant, was it, guys? You know what else isn't pleasant? Sunglasses with the string. You like sunglasses with the string, Bean? Shh. No. No. Bean normally likes... She really likes strings normally. But not this one. What about you, Ace? Do you like sunglasses with the string? Nope. Ace doesn't like sunglasses with the string either. Wonder why? Maybe it's because it reminds them of a tea kettle. And you know what the cats think about tea kettles? Anybody? Know what the cats think about tea kettles? Well, I'll show you. They think it's very unpleasant. Can I get a hurrah if you like the string, Lola? Give it a little kick, see? Nope. Little bitesy? Yep. Nobody likes that string. Wonder why? I wonder why. See you when you get home.